Peace, welcome to Rezell Dance TV with me, Monte Rezell. Today we're going to work on a two-step with a groove. So you're going to learn how to do the basic two-step. You're going to learn how to apply the groove. After you have the basic two-step with the groove, you're going to learn how to add some style and some flavor, put your personality into it. And after that, you're going to learn how to travel with the step. You want to move around the dance floor. You want to move around the club. You want to move within the dance circle. After you get that, we're going to do another variation, and we're going to practice till you get it. The first thing you have to understand is you're adding a groove. Hey, a basic bounce inside of your groove. And that means you have a continuous movement. So you have a flow that never stops. And that's the bounce, bounce, hey, hey, hey. And in this instance, we have a down groove. Our bounce is going down into the floor, down into the floor, down into the floor. So notice every time I said down, I pointed down and I bent my knees. So you want to have a soft knee. That means your knees are relaxed and soft. Boom, hey, boom, hey. You want to bend your knees and sit into the pose. You want your energy to go down into the floor. Bounce, groove, bounce, groove, bounce, groove, bounce, groove. Hey, 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 hey. Bend your knees. Let them be soft. Bounce and sit. Bounce and sit. You want to feel relaxed. You want to feel like you're not trying too hard. That is totally a relaxed position, a relaxed feeling. And it's really easy and light. It's not hard and tense. Yes, it's easy and soft and light. You want to sit, relax, bounce, boom, hey, boom, hey, boom. Notice that my feet are not touching. They're open a little bit. They're about shoulder width apart. They're natural. My feet are turned out just a little bit. So my heels are closer than my toes. This is parallel. My toes and my heels are aligned with each other, making a straight line pointing towards the front. This is turned out. My toes are turned out a little bit towards the outside, just a little bit. My heels are closer than my toes. And then I sit and I bend my knees and I bounce. This is your natural groove, a down bounce. Hey, hey, hey. From here, we're going to get into the two-step with the variations and the traveling and the style. Now remember, we're doing a two-step and adding your groove. Let's get your two-step first. It's very simple. Start with your feet together. You're going to step open, together, open, together. Step open, together, open, together. Real easy. You got that. One more time. We're going this way. Step open with your right foot. Here we go. Step together. Hey, step together. Step together, step together. Too easy, you got that. Now, instead of just staying upright, tall, and stiff, and stepping side to side, you're going to apply that bounce groove into the motion. Step together, open, step together, open, step together, open, step together. One more time. 6, 7, 8, open, step together with your bounce and groove. Sit down into the floor and stop. You got that. Real easy. Now, the first thing you do is you work on establishing the move and getting the move down. Boom. Hey. Boom. Hey. Boom. Hey. Boom. Hey. Once you have the move, you work on applying style and flavor. Step 1, get the move. Step 2, apply your style and some flavor. Add your personality. The way we can add style and flavor and personality into this move is by simply adding a clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. You can add a roll, roll, clap, roll, clap, roll, clap, roll, clap. You can add different arm positions and poses. Make a picture. Boom, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey, boom. Make a picture. Boom, hey, boom, hey, boom, hey, ways to add flavor and style. Add some arms. Start with the clap. Go step, clap, step, clap, step, clap. Roll it. Hey, 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 hey. Change the arms. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. Add your arms with the groove. Step, clap, step, hey, hey, and stop. All right, here we go. Let's do that with music. Listen to the tempo. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together. Step together. Step together. Make sure you bounce. Let's add a clap. Here we go. Step, clap. Step, clap. Step, clap. Hey. Any arms you want to do. Hey. 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 Good job. Two-step variation with the groove, side to side. Now we're going to learn how to travel. Step 1, you get the move down. Step 2, you add some style and some flavor. Right now we're doing that by adding our hands and our arms. Step 3, you learn how to travel with the step. So we're going to travel all around, forward and back, back and front, and side to side. You can travel anywhere. Hey, 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 hey. You can travel anywhere. Hey, 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 hey. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Step together. Add your arms and travel anywhere you want to go. We're going to start by going side to side. Hey. Front to back. Hey. Back to front. Side to side. Back to front. Anywhere you want to go. Travel. Hey. Hey. Hey, good job. Give yourself some hands. Round of applause. Now we're going to do another variation. So come back to neutral. We're going to start by stepping out. Bring that foot back to center. Step out. Bring that foot back to center. It goes step together, open together, step together, open together, step together, open together, step together, open together. Notice I still have my down groove every time I bring my feet together. Step together, step together. I still have my down groove. Hey, hey, here we go. Step together, step together. Hey, hey, hey. Freeze. Too easy. You got that, right? Good job. All right, so now, what did we just talk about? 3 steps to getting a move down. First, you get the basics. Then you add some style and some flavor. We're going to add our arms again. Then you travel. So, let's add some style. First thing we're going to do to add some style is put our arms up like so. Make a straight line from elbow to elbow so you have a clean line. And we're going to bounce and groove. And step side to side. Hey, and bounce and groove. And step side to side. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Freeze. Too easy, right? Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. Add your arms. Go step. Hey, hey. Go step. Hey, hey. Go step. Hey, hey. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And then step number 3 is to travel that groove and 2-step variation. So the easiest way to travel that is to travel forward and back. Boom. Hey, hey, hey. Then take it back. Hey, hey, hey. Now you try with me. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Take it forward. Hey. Take it forward. Hey. Take it back. Hey. Take it back. Hey. Now notice that time when I took it back, I added a little something to my groove. I had a body roll going as well. So you can add that roll to your move if you want. Hey, hey, hey. There's an option. So if you're comfortable and you want to add a little bit more spice, a little bit more flavor, you can do it by adding that small body roll to the movement. Let's do that with some music. Here we go. Hey, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Step. 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 Travel forward and back. Forward. Hey. Forward. Take it back. In place. In the arms. Let's go. Add some style. And 5, 6, 7, stop. Good job. As you can see, you can add a lot of different arm variations and styles. So I used one that we established earlier by doing the roll and the clap. I also did one that we did not see earlier, but it just came out of a freestyle, and it was this one. So I kept my arms here, and I moved my arms away from the step, and everything meets back into the center. My arms move away from the step, and everything meets back in the center. You try that one. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And step together, step together, step together, step together. Freeze. You got that. Good job. Now, let's travel a little bit as we do that. And anywhere you want to go, try to travel with it. Step. Hey, you can go forward. Hey, you can go back. Hey, hey. You can turn. Hey, hey. You can push your hands away even more in the circle and travel. Hey, 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 and freeze. Good job. Give yourself a hand. Another way that I like to add style and flavor to that move, step out, in, out, together, is by simply posing, crossing my arms, boom. And now from here, I'm gonna make my head go with the accent of my feet. Nod, together, nod, together, nod, together, nod, together. So you're taking the basic move, you're crossing your arms, you're adding a head nod. Boom, ha, boom, ha. Do it with me. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Step, boom, ha, step, together, open, close, step, together, nod your head like this. Hey, hey, nod your head like this. Hey, hey, freeze. Good job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Did you get it? Did you learn how to do the basic move, then add some style and some flavor, and then travel? If the answer is yes, and you can do all three, you got the move. If you don't have all three steps yet, it's okay. Just keep practicing. Get the basic first. Hey, add some arms and some style and some flavor and your own personality. Then you travel. Hey, hey. Then you travel. Hey, hey. Then you travel. Hey, hey. Let's do that with the second variation. Feet together. We're gonna step together. Step together. Get the basic first. Hey, hey. Add some arms to it. 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 Hey. Then you travel. Boom. Hey. Then you travel. Boom. Hey. Then you travel. Boom. Hey. And freeze. Let's do all of that with the music. Both variations with the music. Let's go. Hey. Here's the tempo. And here we go. 5, 6, 7. Face it. Add a clap, add a hand, add a groove, add an arm, add an arm. And travel. Hey. Freeze. Good job. Variation number 2. Step out together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. Hey. Basic. Add some arms. Travel with it. Real cool. Real cool. Hey. Hey. Good job. Give yourselves a hand. Practice that to the length of an entire song, and I'll see you next time. Peace.